just finished a ring pour, and then I'm thinking, why don't we just keep going? We can make some coasters too, some matching coasters. So I'm super excited. I've got my tiles out, and let's go. Off. All right, so what we're going to do flip cups on these. So what we're going to do, we're just going to take our coaster, which, by the way, I've covered in tape, and we're just going to flip it like this. Okay, number one coming down. These are going to make beautiful coasters, just beautiful. And what a great way to use extra paint up, right? All right, so here we go. Just going to pop the top off. We're going to lip it a little bit to give it some movement. Oh, beautiful. Cup looked beautiful. Like crimson green in there is, or the hooker's green in there is really, really cool. And then for these, I think we're just going to give them a slight spin or a tilt. Ah, they're going to be so great. I don't have any like this. It almost makes it like a Southwest vibe. Very cool. Very cool. Wow. Beautiful. Beautiful. Look at that, you guys. Look at how beautiful that is so far. Love it. Now I'm just tapping the sides. If you're new to fluid art, you know, I saw people doing this. I'm like, what are they doing? Well, they're just making a way for the paint to flow more easily over the sides. Wow, these are beautiful. These are different than a bloom technique, but they still can have cells in them like this one does. Let's get a little more of the paint off it. And I'm going to get a cup to set it on here. Wow, look at that. Look at that. That came out just great. The paint is still moving a little bit. Let's give it another little spin here. We get some of that paint off it so it doesn't crack. Wow, beautiful. How great is that? Just going to put that one aside here so we can make another. Okay, those are cute, cute, cute. Let's put another one here. And again, whoops, I should have picked it up. There we go. See how this one looks. It's going to be beautiful. Ooh. A lot of white in that one, so I'm just going to kind of give it a little more movement like that. Oh, beautiful. Again. Now you could tilt these. You could, I just love this. This is beautiful. I'm just going to tilt them a little bit. They got plenty of paint on them. Look at that. Oh, beautiful. Now this paint is a lot thinner than a bloom paint, so that's why it's running off so easily, if you've been joining me for the bloom painting. And I'm just checking the sides to make sure it's fully covered. Let's give it a little spin. Whoa, wants to fly off. Oh, beautiful. Love it. I'm just going to tilt it a little bit. This is just beautiful. It matches so beautifully with the ring pour we just did in the past video. Wow, those are beautiful. Striking, stunning. Let me set this nearby. Okay, let's do another one. Oops, I keep doing that. Okay, so we're going to do that one. All right, I ran out of paper towel. All right, so this one's ready to go next. Beautiful. Moving that white around in it. So what we'll do with this one, we'll spin it because it's got a really nice pattern on it so that we can keep our pattern. Look at that, beautiful. Let's keep it spinning. It's messy business today. Oh, that came out amazing. Do that. Just making sure it's all covered. The paint can move off it. Beautiful. Look at that. Oh. Now this is a much thinner paint, so I'm sure some of it will probably still run off. Wow, beautiful. Look at that. Wow, gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Let me put this up so you can see it. Beautiful colors. Look at that. It came out gorgeous. What a beautiful tile. All right, so this one, let me put on a cup here too. I think I'm just going to put it right over here so we can keep working. Yeah, what's the worst that can happen, right? That I'm going to knock it over. Beautiful. All right, one more to go. Messy, messy, messy. Let that work a minute. Ooh, pretty. Ooh, I love this one. This is going to be beautiful when the pattern moves out. Look at that. Okay, so let's see. What I might do with this one, I just want to give it some, there we go. Give it some motion there. Beautiful. Again, super gorgeous. This one got a lot more of the green in it. Oh, they're so slippery. We're going to use a little of this leftover paint. Check our sides. Beautiful. Look at that. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. All right, now. If you haven't liked and subscribed yet, you've probably noticed when you hit the subscribe button, you get a bell, and then you can choose your notifications. If you choose all, that doesn't mean that it's going to send you an email or something like that. What will typically happen is it'll just pop up on your feed when you're looking for something to watch. And hey, why not watch me make a big mess, right? Yeah. Hey, I'm glad you joined me. Thanks a lot. I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye.